Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Surfshark on LG Smart TV. Let's get started. There are a few different ways to get Surfshark VPN working on your LG Smart TV, and we'll cover all of them. The method you use depends on your specific TV model and what you find most convenient. The first and most straightforward method is to install the Surfshark app directly on your TV. To do this, click the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price. Then, you need to go to the App Store on your LG Smart TV. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function to look for Surfshark or VPN. When you find the official Surfshark app, go ahead and download it, then install it on your television. After the installation is complete, open the app and log in using your personal Surfshark VPN account details. Finally, all you need to do is connect to a server location of your choice, and your LG Smart TV will be protected. Now, if your specific LG Smart TV model doesn't support VPN apps directly, don't worry. You have another excellent option. You can install Surfshark directly on your home router. The primary function of a VPN router is to ensure that every single device connected to your home network is automatically protected. This means that whether you're streaming videos on your smart TV, browsing the internet on your laptop, or using your phone, all of your data is being encrypted by the VPN. Unlike regular routers, which only connect to the internet and route traffic without any additional security, a VPN router adds a crucial extra layer of privacy by securing everything that comes through it. This will have the exact same effect as using the VPN app directly on your smart TV, and it also protects every other device on your network at the same time. Finally, let's look at a third method, which is by sharing your VPN connection by creating a hotspot from a computer. This method requires you to have a computer where you already have Surfshark VPN installed and connected to a server. Here are the quick steps to set up that VPN hotspot. First, open the network and internet settings on your computer. Then, click on Mobile Hotspot and enable it by toggling the switch at the top. Underneath these options, click Edit to set a name and a secure password for your new VPN hotspot. Next, find an option for More Network Adapter Options and click on it. This will open a new window where you need to identify two specific adapters, your mobile hotspot adapter and your Surfshark VPN tap adapter. Now, right-click on the Surfshark VPN adapter, go to Properties, and then navigate to the Sharing tab. Check the first box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Finally, in the Home Networking Connection drop-down menu, select the mobile hotspot that you just created through the Windows settings. And that's it. You now know 3 effective methods to install and use Surfshark on your LG Smart TV. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Surfshark for yourself and get access to all premium features at a discounted price.